So, been busy. It's been sitting here for a while. Just spread too thin, work, other things that are priority in life. Found this thing after some research, and this is what a bunch of the LS guys are using for tapping into fuel lines on LS swaps. So if I look at this one here, there's just basically tubing fitting, so that would go into one of those factory lines that has a snap clip, that type of thing. You can also use this on a hose. On the other side is a thread-in collar that will grab onto a flange on the line, so like right here, and then tighten in. Now on the inside of this, there is a little flange to seal to an O-ring. So what I'm hoping is that I can actually thread this on. We'll find out right now. Thread that in there. I can tighten that up. Oh baby, beautiful. So that seals to the O-ring. I can situate that like this. So I can cut off the fitting from the hose, and I can push the hose on right here with a nice heavy duty hose clamp. And then this port, I can actually thread in my fuel pressure gauge with an adapter. So this is too small, I believe, right now. You're gonna have to drill and tap it, but then I should be able to screw in right there. There you go, one piece, and it should be easy peasy. Then all I gotta do is wire my fuel pressure wiring, which is right up here on the valve cover. So it should work really good. So there's the adapter. It comes with a gauge port access over here, 1/8" pipe. So I got this adapter. This is also in the bag of tricks from the people doing LS swaps. So it actually adapts down to 1/8" pipe. And I can thread that in there. And this happens to be the correct size for our fuel pressure sensor. So I can thread that in, and basically that's going to be the arrangement. Let's make it happen. So ideally, this end here would be a barbed fitting for going into the hose. That's actually supposed to go into another O-ring fitting. However, we're trying to use it in our hose, so we're trying to get this little flange into the actual hose. So it's going to be a little tough go. We're going to try and see. I have some needle nose in here to kind of stretch that opening. We put some lube, so this is just some Sil Glide. So you can put some Sil Glide in here, right? If you love it, lube it. And we'll see if that helps us to get that into the hose. Give it a go. There we go. Come on. Oh, getting there. Oh yeah, touch bottom, baby. I'm going to put the pressure sensor into the adapter, and then I'm going to thread the adapter in there. Before that, I'm going to put some pipe dope on the threads so that we get a nice seal. Now this has some stuff on it, thread sealer, thread lock, but they're a little skimpy on that, so we're just going to put a bit more. Okay. A little bit of pipe dope on the pipe threads. There we go. Now all we got to do is wire in our fuel pressure connector to the wiring over here, plug it in, turn the key. Hopefully we're good.